Think making your own cookbook is too complicated? With Family Cookbook Project, everything is designed for you. If you can click, you can create a printed cookbook. Here is how easy it is. First, take photos of your favorite recipes. Our innovative system will extract text from your recipe images, whether handwritten or typed, and convert them into editable text that can be quickly added to your cookbook. You can even ask other family members to contribute their best recipes. Next, select a professionally designed cookbook cover and recipe layout from our collection or design your own. Add photos and stories to make your cookbook truly yours. Finally, place your print order and sit back and wait for your beautiful printed cookbooks to arrive at your doorstep. Custom cookbooks make wonderful gifts and preserve family recipes for future generations. Family Cookbook Project, the fun and easy way to create a printed cookbook.